Hey everyone, in this video, I will talk about what makes this roofing website conversion rate optimized. So if you don't know what conversion rate optimization is, it is a process of maximizing conversion rate on your website or your website homepage in most cases. Out of 100 people coming to your website from Google, from Facebook, from anywhere, how many are leaving their details? That's basically the conversion rate of your website. In order to maximize it, we need to go through a few steps, and I have done a conversion rate audit on this page, and I've changed around a lot of things in my last video, and you can go ahead and check it out. I'll try to link that in the description as well. Now let's talk about what I have done and why it makes a huge difference in this website. If you are sending traffic from Google or Facebook, they're obviously landing on this page, and if you're landing from desktop, they'll land on this screen right here. And it has a lot of things. It has a top bar, it has a header, it has a top section, which we sometimes call a hero section as well. So that top bar is something that mentions the offer and says it's family owned and operated, and it has a phone number. The header has logo, menu, and a trust badge, which says they're rated 4.9 out of 5. Sometimes 4.9 is better than 5 stars because it shows the business is really legit. Now, the hero section has a header, a subheader, and a lot of trust badges. It says they're mentioned in a lot of different places. They're certified roofers, they're master shingle applicator. So these are known to most people. And if it's a roofing website, it means that, yeah, you guys are a legit business and you guys have done a lot of work. That's basically what it means if you have a lot of trust badges like this. It has mentioned that they serve Austin, Texas and all surrounding areas, and it has a video of Austin as well. So these are some subtle things we do in order to improve relevance for a business. So it has a nice headline as well. So everything you need to know, 80 to 90% information can be found on the top section, because if they know in 5 seconds what you offer, what you're all about, are you trustworthy, they'll go for you. Trust me. So I would say put 80 to 90% of these type of information, regardless of what business you own, on the website top homepage. And next thing we are going to do is we're going to see that this form is backed by a strong testimonial. So it's not anything vague. Instead, it describes what they were having issues with and then how this business helped them throughout the entire process of solving that problem. And then we have a 3 easy step getting the roofing solution section. So this basically describes how you can very easily get the roofing service from them. It's a must have, I would say. Nowadays, for any website, if you have a process description section like this, they don't really need anything else. They know that, okay, I have to make a phone call, they'll give me the pricing plan, and they'll take care of the rest. That's basically what this section means. And then we have a few content. The reason why we have this section over here is to show a few more trust badges and through bullet points very quickly, because bullet points are easier to read than paragraphs. So very easily, we are just saying that we are GAF certified, clear communication, transparent pricing. We don't have any hidden charges or stuff. These are actually necessary for someone to know before they hire you for a job. We have a number section as well, which is also necessary. It shows how many years they've been in the business, how many clients they've served so far, how many projects they've completed, also how many staff members they have. And then comes the service section. And we'll talk about the entire flow of the page after I'm describing the whole page. But yeah, this is the service section. This is what you do as a business. So this needs to be clearly stated in this section what you do. And then this is the 4th service. So we have roof repair, roof replacement, commercial roofing, and roof maintenance. These are 4 services. And then we have a why choose us section, really short and sweet. And then we have the testimonial section. We have some good testimonials, and we are also mentioning we are reviewed on Yelp and Google and also Facebook, as we mentioned in the top section. And then we have an FAQ section. So FAQ sections are really necessary, and people tend to avoid this on their websites. They say it makes their web page bigger, but even if it does make it bigger, it makes a really big difference as well, because some questions can't be answered through the website content. Those type of questions that are really specific can be addressed using an FAQ section. So you can ask your existing customers saying, what question did you have before hiring us? Do you have anything in mind like that? And then you can just address those questions and put the answers in an FAQ section. And then finally, we have a call to action or a final CTA section where we are giving them a form, giving them the phone number so they can make a phone call or just submit the form. And it's also backed by a testimonial. So this is a process of conversion rate optimization that we call AIDA. So AIDA basically means attention, interest, desire, and action. So this is the attention section. This is where they land, and then it grabs their attention instantly. And then there's the interest section that creates an interest in people's minds by sharing information about the business. So it can be this section, it could be this, it could be also the service section. So it creates an interest. The interest section ends here. Desire is basically showing testimonials, showing proof of work, like before, after. So it creates an urgency in people's minds saying that, okay, I don't want to be left out. A very similar feeling to that. And then finally, we have an action section where we are telling them what to do to take the next step. So that should be like the action is not just for the bottom, but it should be your goal throughout the entire page. So you need to just keep them telling about the next step. And this should be not for any roofing business or any local business. This should be for any type of business. So if you are conversion rate optimizing your website, you need to follow this exact same process. Maybe your approach could be a bit different, but the core of conversion rate optimization is the entire flow. So you need to keep the flow the same, and keeping it the same, you can just turn around the few other stuff like the content, the images, and how you present things. There you go. You have your conversion rate optimized website for you. So hopefully this video was useful. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you need any sort of help with web design or conversion rate optimization, do feel free to reach out to my website, link in description, and I will see you in the next one.